Good morning, everyone. This is Parrish. Today is January 19th, 2012. Time 5:03 a.m., a Thursday morning. This video is about the strange sounds people have been hearing all over the world. On January 13th, 2012, I came upon this website called The Truth Behind the Scenes. And on January 13th, they posted articles about mysterious sounds people have been hearing all over the world. And some people have described these sounds as rumbling. Some people have described the sounds as booming. And when I have heard these things, these sounds from the future, I too had described the sounds as booming or rumbling. My YouTube channel, Amazing 2007 Full, has for its feature Parrish prophetic sounds. Parrish prophetic sounds. Okay, I have to make a video. Today is August 4th, 2011. The sound of booming sounds in the sky, like bombs exploding. Now, after this incident here in August, sometimes after I made this video, I had to make another video about booming sound. I'm upon my roof here at Halsey Street, Brooklyn, New York. Today is Thursday, September 29, 2011. A little after 9 p.m. I have this video because I'm hearing thunderous sound more or less in a cloudless night. Listen carefully. Sound like it's coming from the west. The west is that way. There's clouds in the distance, but there's no lightning. Okay, I must also say that Parrish Future Prophecy Part 1 through 5, letter I, speaks about these things. Let me show you a few of my videos that talks about sounds from the future. First one up is Parrish's Future Prophecy Part 1, Section 3, 1 of 6, letter I through W, 2009 is when I made this video. I uploaded this video on YouTube channel called P41249 on April 22nd, 2011.
Some of this piece is the number 3. This piece is called Section 2, 1 Intuition Story, or S21IS. In the month of April 9th, 2006, I recorded this dream in my dream book. I don't understand, but this must have been the second or third time I heard a very loud booming sound in my spirit. I believe my intuition side of myself had reported to me about a coming booming noise that will be heard in New York.
Next is Parrish's Future Prophecies, Part 2, Section 4, 1 of 9, letter I through W. I made this video in the year 2009. I uploaded this video in my other YouTube channel called Yes OK's Me Full on April 25th, 2011.
Parrish Future Prophecies, Part 2. Disc 3, which is the final disc in Parrish Future Prophecy Part 2. And disc 3 covers dreams from letter I to letter W. This is Section 4, letter I. There are 9 intuition stories in this piece that begins with the letter I. There are 9 intuition stories about a booming sound.
The next one is called Parrish's Future Prophecies, Part 3, Section 6, 2 of 5, letter B through W. 2009 is the year I made this video, and I uploaded this video on April 25th, 2011, and is inside my YouTube channel called Yes, Okay, It's Me Full.
The next number of this piece is the number 5. This piece is called Section 6, 5 Intuition Story, or S65IS. In the month of September 14, 2009, I recorded this intuition story inside my dream book. As I sat inside McDonald's restaurant, which is located on the corner of Broadway and Gates Avenue, I picked up in my spirit a very powerful sound that sounded like a kaboom sound. This loud sound had slightly rattled my bones. This psychic experience lasted approximately a half a second.
This one is called Parrish's Future Prophecies, Part 4, Section 8, 2 of 6, letter A through Y. 2010 is the year I made this video, and I uploaded this video on April 26, 2011, and it's in my YouTube channel called Yes, Okay, It's Me Full.
The next letter in this piece is the letter I. This is Section 8, letter I. There's one intuition story in this piece that begins with the letter I. There's one intuition story about a booming sound. The first number in this piece is the number 1. This piece is called Section 8, One Intuition Story, or S81IS. In the month of December 4th, 2009, I recorded this intuition story inside my dream book. While I sat inside McDonald's restaurant, which is located on the corner of Gates Avenue and Broadway, Brooklyn, New York, my spirit had suddenly picked up a psychic booming sound, or an explosive sound. This very loud booming sound was first picked up by my left ear before it finally rattled the whole left side of my body.
And finally, this is Parrish's Future Prophecies, Part 5, Section 10, letter I, 3 of 5, and I made this in the year 2011, and I uploaded this video on May 26, 2011, and is in my YouTube channel called Captain Parrish.
This number in this piece is the number 17. This piece is called Section 10, 17 Intuition Story, or S1017IS. In the month of May 28, 2010, I recorded this intuition story inside my dream book. Today, while I sat upon a bench facing Eastern Parkway here in Brooklyn, New York, not too far from downtown Brooklyn, I suddenly picked up a psychic sound that sounded like ba-boom. This psychic incident lasted for about 1 second. Time of incident was a little after 3 a.m.
Wow, so truly I am dealing with a living God, and He see fit to show me things and reveal things to me. Me personally, I believe there's a lot of stuff that's going on in our space that's affecting our the Earth atmosphere and causing the Earth to make noise. Basically, I know we are definitely living in the end of days. Thank you for watching my video, and take care, everyone.